Hello everybody. I thought that I would film our dinners for the next, I don't know, 2, 3, 4 days and put a video out there for you guys. I know you guys like to see what we eat. So I just thought I would start with today. Today is Thursday. My husband and I had breakfast this morning. We have a breakfast day. It's starting to be a regular thing every week where we go to Walmart to do our grocery shopping. And then we have coffee at McDonald's. So we had a sausage biscuit this morning and some coffee. And it was really, really nice. It was really good. We get up early when we go so that there's nobody in the store and we can enjoy our time together. And there's nobody even in the McDonald's in there. We had the whole restaurant pretty much to ourselves. And the coffee and everything was fresh, fresh, fresh. No complaints here. It was really, really good. If you're looking for a YouTuber that does not eat McDonald's, this is probably not your YouTube channel because I do like my McDonald's. I love it. I don't like it all the time, but when I do have it, I really enjoy it. You know, it's one of those things. So in here, this is Ronnie's burger. Can you see the difference? That is my burger. Anyways, I'm making him a ginormous burger. I don't put anything on it. He likes it really plain Jane. I'm going to put a little bit of liquid smoke in the pan once I flip them, and that's going to be it. We're going to have some baked French fries. Here they are. And these are the extra crispy. I've talked about these before. No, I'm not being sponsored. I buy these because they are really like fast food fries, just like it says there. They really do crisp up in the oven. And I am really, really impressed with these French fries. So if I can find them at the store, I always buy them because they are that good. They are that good. So I'm just going to brown these up. We're going to have burgers with everything on them pretty much, and cheese, you know, all the goods. And we're going to have ours on just toast. We like our burgers on toast. I like my burgers without any bread. And I like to dip my burger in Heinz 57 sauce, if you guys have not figured that out, if you watch me regularly. Well, I almost forgot to film, so I'm filming. I already served Ronnie at the table. Sorry about the lighting, but it is evening time. So we are having salmon patties. They look like they're burnt, but they're not. They just look dark on camera. I made some scalloped potatoes to go with it. There's the shadow. I'll try to get out of the way. And I made some homemade rice pudding for dessert. Ronnie says it's real good.
It's very good.
You like it? Good.
Oh, this is wonderful.
Well, anyways, I'm going to make my plate up, and that is what we're having for supper this evening. Tonight for dinner, we are having pasta with Parmesan cheese. So I've got my spaghetti sauce here and my pasta. And then over here, I've got some homemade rolls under here that I've already baked up. And that is what is for dinner. Well, here is dinner tonight. I made my taco chili. And
this
is it good?
So good. Oh, yeah.
And Ronnie's got some already, but I made some blueberry apple crisp. Looks really good.
You're going to be surprised how good it is.
Yeah, I'm going to have some after I eat this. Okay, there is my apple blueberry crisp, and today is coming to a close. If you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button, and we will talk to you again soon. Bye-bye. Okay, it's another night of suppers, and I was going to release what's for dinner video, and I realized all my footage was like 4 minutes and 30 seconds, so I decided just to continue this until my Thanksgiving, and then I will release my what's for dinner. But tonight, I made steak-'em sandwiches. Of course, I do my own kind of adding to it. So I added a whole bag of peppers and onions that are frozen, which I have found worked out really well for me because then I don't have to worry about anything going bad. I smothered this in provolone cheese. Now, before I put the meat on, though, I put mayo on all the bread. And then I sprinkled it with pepper and garlic salt. And then I put the meat on and then all the cheese. And then I slipped it into the oven, and then I will just close it up and cut it in two, and that will be our sandwiches. With it, we're having extra crispy tater tots. Nothing better than a good crispy potato tot. I love these things. So good. So good, guys. So, that is what is for dinner tonight. Have a great night. Hello, everybody, and welcome to Kiddos Koral. If you're new, please hit that subscribe button because we have some very exciting, wonderful video content coming your way. I look a little disheveled today. You know why? Because tomorrow is my Thanksgiving. I am making Thanksgiving dinner for the family. Yes, it's early because my parents go to Florida for the winter. So we're having Thanksgiving with them here at my house. And it's going to be the first Thanksgiving that my husband and I host for the family. So we're really excited about that. But in telling you about that, this is the What's for Dinner video. And I wanted to kind of end this video with saying that today is the last meal that you'll see before Thanksgiving. We had rice, General Tso's chicken, shrimp egg rolls, lobster egg rolls, and it was so good. If you watch my Walmart haul, you've seen where I bought the General Tso's chicken in the frozen section. It is spicy. So what I do is I kind of make my own rice and kind of pair it together, and it kind of tames a little bit of that spiciness down. So it's palatable for myself because it is hot. It is really hot. Excuse the hair and everything, but I'm working. I'm getting the guest room ready for my parents this afternoon. I am so excited about seeing the family. I have been cooking and cleaning and doing, and my Thanksgiving is going to be, I'm hoping, in hopes. You know how you set your mind, you're going to do this whole thing, right? And life kind of happens. So this is my thoughts. Number one, you guys are wanting to see how I'm going to make my turkey. So there's going to be a part one, I guess you could say, which is going to be today. What I mean is I'll be filming it today. You will see it after this video sometime. And it will include basically like the day before Thanksgiving prep. You know, I'm going to show you my tablescape that I'm going to be using for Thanksgiving. However, I won't be using it for this Thanksgiving because I will have a second Thanksgiving with just my immediate family here. But tomorrow is going to include extra people, if that makes any sense. So we're going to be using all disposable plates and dinnerware. But I do want to show you guys the setup that I'm going to have. Okay, second thing is that I'm going to show you guys in this video about the prep of, you know, the salads, deviled eggs I'm going to be making, the desserts, those kind of things you can make early. So look for that video. It's going to be coming out. And then it's going to be Thanksgiving Day. And in my Thanksgiving Day video, I'm going to share step by step how I do my turkey in the oven. And now if we were having Thanksgiving at my mom and dad's house, my dad would fry the turkey. He is known for turkey frying. Personally, it's very good and succulent, and I love turkey that way, but my preference is when you can smell that turkey baking in the oven and everybody can come over and it smells like Thanksgiving. You know what I'm saying? It's like fresh baked bread in the oven. It just taunts you, right? That's what I like. So I'm getting very excited about making Thanksgiving dinner. Anyhow, I am busy today and I'm getting the guest room ready and getting things ready. I want to thank you for watching my What's for Dinner video. The meals aren't very fancy because I have been working for company and everything to come, and I've been busy, but I just want to say thank you so much for keeping up with me on Kiddos Koral. If you're new, hit that subscribe button. I'd love to have you come along because as soon as we get through the hurdles of Thanksgiving, comes Christmas, and I'm going to be doing Vlogmas this year, and I'm so excited, and I've got a lot of fun things planned. And I just, you know what? I'm just going to savor every single moment of the holidays this year. And I encourage you to do the same. So thanks so much for watching. I hope you have a beautiful, fantastic day. Look for all my Thanksgiving videos and all my upcoming holiday stuff. So excited. Hope you get excited too. Thanks so much for watching. Have a blessed day. Bye, guys.